love you.
More music, more variety.
Variety music. Only playing all the music I want to hear.
Star 1013.
There's a boy I know. He's the one I dream of. Looks into my eyes. Take me to
the 90s, and today, my name is Hudson, we're Star 1013. Are you feeling like you're overdue for a trip to Vegas? I feel you, like I really just want to go and lounge around in the pool, even though it's pretty hot out there, but it's not going to feel so hot when somebody else is picking up your airfare, your hotel, and even giving you $1,000, and you get of music. Make sure tomorrow you're listening to those winning words to be part of our iHeartRadio in Las Vegas. And good luck. We're Star 1013.
The heat advisories are on until Thursday. This afternoon, plenty of sunshine with a breeze. Highs 80 to 90 for the Bay, 90 to 105 inland tonight. Clear skies.
This report is sponsored by Blindster. Want to save 50% on new blinds? Blindster.com offers custom-made blind shades and shutters shipped directly to you at prices less than big. With Blindster through September 8th to save 50% off any order during their Labor Day sale. Blindster.com.
Enter to win a family 4-pack of tickets. Academy of Sciences to experience bugs. An immersive new exhibit. Discover the big secrets of bugs. See larger-than-life models and more. Go to the contest page at 1013.com to enter.
Finding great candidates to hire can be like, well, trying to find a needle in a haystack. Sure, you can post a job to some job board, but then all you can do is hope the right person comes along, which is why you should try for free at ZipRecruiter.com/radio. ZipRecruiter doesn't depend on candidates finding you. It finds them for you. Its powerful technology identifies people with the right experience and actively invites them to apply to your job. You get qualified candidates fast. So while other companies might deliver a lot of hay, ZipRecruiter finds you what you're looking for. The needle in the haystack.
See why 4 out of 5 employers who post a job on ZipRecruiter get a quality candidate within the first day. ZipRecruiter, the smartest way to hire. And right now, you can try ZipRecruiter for free. That's right, free at ZipRecruiter.com/radio. That's ZipRecruiter.com/radio. ZipRecruiter.com/radio.
Are you looking for a rewarding new career? Join the United States Postal Service and apply for roles nationwide. Serve your community with pride and receive benefits including competitive pay and opportunities for advancement. Whether you are looking for full-time, part-time, or seasonal positions, we have options that may be perfect for you. The United States Postal Service is an equal opportunity employer. Apply now at US/careers.
Ever since I got the new Galaxy Z Flip 4, I've been learning all these new tricks with my dog Finn. Like how to take the best selfies at the park. I just set my phone down, put it in flex mode, and capture hands-free pics from multiple angles. Or how to capture our training sessions for his followers. I simply wave my hand to start recording video. Good boy! Plus, the Z Flip 4 is compact and fits perfectly in my pocket.
Visit Samsung.com today to get the new Galaxy Z Flip 4.
Everything, our farm, our stand, our pop-up shop. It really all started when we discovered the benefits of local, raw honey for our family.
And then we decided to turn it into a business.
We were looking for something to help us get up and running.
So we got the Chase Business Complete Banking Account.
It's more than a bank account. It comes with Quick Accept, which lets us take card payments anytime, anywhere in the U.S. using the Chase mobile app. Plus, we get same-day deposits at no extra cost. For us, it's more than honey. It's about sharing a little sweetness with the world.
Get the Chase Business Complete Banking Account with the essentials to help get your business going. Learn more at chase.com/business-complete-banking. Chase for business. Make more of what's yours. Quick Accept is not available in U.S. territory. Limit required. Usage subject to approval. Same-day deposits available for payments before 8 p.m. Eastern Time, Sunday to Friday. Fees and rates apply for checking and processing. Limitations and restrictions apply. Participants compensated. Merchant services provided by Payment Tech LLC and WePay Inc. Subsidiaries of JP Morgan Chase Bank and a member FDIC.
Back to school, back to protecting your family. Testing for COVID early and often is the best way to reduce school outbreaks, protecting students and faculty alike. Go to COVID Clinic. Safe and clean facility near you. COVIDclinic.org.
Okay, you know those amazing spots only the true San Francisco locals are in on? Like that place with the square pizzas? Or the spot for sweet and sour chicken that's any so-so? Or you know, with the ranch dressing. And all the other... Yeah, they're on DoorDash. San Francisco gets it. DoorDash has it.
Create the home of your dreams and enjoy the biggest savings during the Living Spaces Labor Day event. The latest styles are waiting, and free next-day shipping brings them to you fast. It's time to refresh your living room, elevate your dining room, make over your bedroom, quality everywhere. Plus, get special financing for 60 months on any purchase with your good credit. Celebrate the start of the new season only at the Living Spaces Labor Day event.
Living space. A typical morning here in the neighborhood buzz, but today seems sweeter, and I'm sure it's because I'm getting boosted, boosting my immunity, getting boosted, protected from COVID-19. Go to myturn.ca.gov to find boosters for ages 5 and up. Stay healthy and strong. Get boosted. Brought to you by the California Department of Public Health.
KIOI FM, San Francisco, San Jose.
Star 101.3 is an iHeartRadio station.